We're at CES 2019 at the Lytro booth. Let's go ahead, check out, see what they have.
My name's Scott Gant. I'm president and co-founder of Lytro, and at Lytro we do professional adventure-ready camera lighting. So last year we won an award for our Lytro Torch product, and this year we won an award for our Lytro Pro. Our Lytro Torch is a single color, compact, rugged, basically think of it as a light that could keep up with a GoPro. And the whole inspiration behind this was to make it go wherever the GoPro session went, and that includes being able to actually fit into a GoPro session cage. So on top of having a 1/4-20 on the bottom, on the back, it's got a magnet on the back. You can mount it virtually anywhere. You can also fit it into your existing GoPro kit.
And you have a new version of the Lytro Torch this year too.
That's right, and that's what we're announcing at the show. So this is, you can see the LEDs here on the one, and here are the LEDs on the two. And so we've upgraded the optics on this one. This one has a 92 CRI, double the depth rating, so this will go down to 60 feet. All the way around, an upgrade to an already award-winning light. It has 3 levels. So at the first level of 100 lumen, it'll last 4.5 to 5 hours. At the mid level, which is 450 lumen, it'll last 1 hour and 10 minutes. And at the peak level, it'll go from 35 to 40 minutes. People are doing creative lighting with strobe. They're also using this potentially as a safety light. And so we threw the strobe function in there, mounting it to a drone, safety, or for some kind of special feature, it has a strobe function.
What about water resistance?
So water resistance, it's another cool feature that the Torch and the other product have. You don't need any tools to recharge this. So it has a micro USB recharger, and basically we have this little dust flap, and that's just to keep the dust out of the USB. But without this dust flap, it's still waterproof. The Torch 1.0 is waterproof to 30 feet, and the Torch 2.0 is waterproof to 60 feet. The Pro is waterproof to 90 feet. And then this light, the Pro, is a bicolor, and this also is waterproof, compact, rugged. And both lights have a very high CRI and have great runtime. So if you're a vlogger, if you're a videographer, you're on the go, you don't know what kind of lighting you're going to need, these lights you can take anywhere, and they're like studio lighting in your pocket. And inside the box, it comes with a silicone diffuser. It'll soften up the light. It comes with a carry bag, a shoe mount, a GoPro mount, and a micro USB charging cable. Then another cool thing, if you can see behind me, we've got accessories for this light. We've got barn doors, we've got color filters, honeycomb filter, and we have a softbox. So this really is studio lighting in your pocket, on the go, with lots of versatility. Out of the box, they both come with a white diffuser, a shoe mount, so that you can mount it on a standard cold shoe, hot shoe mount. And it also comes with a GoPro finger mount. So if you have any action camera gear, mounts on a bike, mounts on a helmet, chest mount, whatever, those out of the box, they're ready to be incorporated into your kit. So on the Lytro Pro, really impressive runtime with the battery. So at mid-range output, it'll go 5 hours. So at max output, it's 1200 lumen. It'll last 55 minutes with a built-in lithium-ion battery.
What are some of the ways that people can use these?
Think about the film crew out filming Naked and Afraid, or that's kind of an extreme case. You think of the film crew on Survivor or something. Waterproof, rugged lights. It's not that they're taking them that deep, but they're just going to take the beating that they're going to find out there. The other place that we're seeing a lot of people use this are more common day, like realtors. Realtors are taking our light and they're doing a shot with the jacuzzi or the pool, and they're just throwing a couple lights in the jacuzzi to add a little accent lighting. So there's really no boundaries to where you can use these things.
Very, very cool. I like this a lot. So I appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Eric, I appreciate it. Have a great show.
Thank you.